And so what I've learned was no matter what I was doing, if any type of sales was related, even if it isn't, because you're always selling yourself in regards to your relationships with other people. But I learned that it was always playing a part in everything that I was doing. And as I began to take more of this entrepreneurial turn in my career where I was not working for other people and I was doing the law of attraction work and the coaching for people, that even though ultimately what I was passionate about was helping other people, that I wasn't going to be able to reach those people unless I was really intensively marketing myself.
Now, your bio also said that you have 20 years of experience with marketing and consulting. How has that kind of affected your career thus far?
Absolutely. Well, I think I've done a lot of work as an art history major. I ended up not going back to get my master's to work in museums and actually working in galleries. And so I started not only doing a marketing internship in college, but then doing sales once I got out of college. So when you are in sales, you are responsible for kind of marketing yourself as well. So you're not necessarily marketing a brand or marketing a product as much as selling yourself, because at the end of the day, that's what people are buying. They're buying your story, they're buying their emotional attachment to you. And so what I've learned was no matter what I was doing, if any type of sales was related, even if it isn't, because you're always selling yourself in regards to your relationships with other people. But I learned that it was always playing a part in everything that I was doing. And as I began to take more of this entrepreneurial turn in my career where I was not working for other people and I was doing the law of attraction work and the coaching for people, that even though ultimately what I was passionate about was helping other people, that I wasn't going to be able to reach those people unless I was really intensively marketing myself. So the very first year of my business, I was just constantly pumping out content, and I was learning how to market it on all the social media platforms. And it's interesting because now part of what I do is, my clients are not just parents. Sometimes they're parents and entrepreneurs. Sometimes they're now adults who were victims of child abuse of some sort. They're trying to heal their inner child. Sometimes they are also wellness coaches who've healed their dialogue and now they want to help other people. So it's interesting how much my marketing background is now playing a role in helping my more entrepreneurial clients and trusting their intuitive nudges when it comes to marketing and putting content out in the world. And
Mm-hmm. Do you think with the constant innovations of technology and of course social media, how important has it been to kind of, learn and understand like new trends that are going on and keeping up to tabs with everything in the world?
Well, I'm still kind of waiting for them to just, photograph and snap my thoughts in my brain so I don't have to do anything, because there's just way too much going on in here anyway. I would say use caution with social media. I think people rely on social media to be the end all be all for how they're going to launch their programs and make their money. But people as consumers are so inundated with messages now that if you really aren't taking that time to honestly and vulnerably build those authentic connections with people on social media, you're not really going to get the sales. You can grow your community. You can have a really big online presence, but at the end of the day, followers doesn't translate to sales unless you're building that relationship with people. It's all about the relationship. And I believe that's becoming more and more important than just the technology, because we are all on social media because we're hungry. We're hungry for that human connection. And if you're not making that authentic connection with people on your platform, then you're just going to be somebody they scroll past. Maybe they'll like it. Maybe not. There's a lot of scrolling happening on social media. So I think advances in technology is important so that you understand how you can still push your message out onto the platforms. But more important is making sure that you're reaching out, that you're commenting on your followers' posts, that when they follow you, I send a little thank you image to all, well, I think I sent one to you guys, a little thank you image to all of my followers, just saying, thank you for following me. And I always follow them back if they seem like they're a legit account, because it's that engagement. It's the you like me, I like you. That's how these relationships start. So the technology is important, but really understanding people and connecting with them is more so.